All right, so we have the motherboard. We are starting this PC build, and yeah, this is gonna be really cool. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. Okay, so we got some cables here, and then we have the actual motherboard. This is being kind of a struggle to get out. But yeah, let's be careful with this. We have a set of instructions and more. We got instructions, which might be upside down. We have a certificate of reliability by Tough Gaming. We have some pretty sick looking stickers. That's just part of the packaging. Then we have this cord, which is definitely a motherboard cable. And then we have a bag of some sort with some screws, which we will actually put over here. Should we stack these?
That's fine.
Yeah. All right, and then we have some paperwork, and then, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing is really cool looking. Dad can do this part probably because he's the tech expert. He's been doing this for 25 years. But yeah. Wow, that thing looks clean. That is crazy. Love it. So first off, we don't have the case yet. It's actually in my room. So if you guys want to see the case, then that's why.
What are you unboxing right now?
We are unboxing the CPU, which is the Ryzen 7. If I can figure out how to... Oh, wait, here we go.
This way. There you go.
Here we go, okay. So I have to be extremely careful with this because if the pins are bent, it can ruin... So I would recommend Dad doing the rest of this because this is really... It's a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, which is one of the best CPUs on the market right now. As of currently, or as of recently, so yeah, so Dad's gonna do the installation just because it's a really small component. Yeah, it says AMD Ryzen 7000 series, so that is the thing. And the liquid cooler that we have actually has a pre-applied thermal paste, which is pretty good, which is pretty cool. Trident Z5 RAM, 64 gigabytes. If I can, oh, I got it, there we go. So, we have two 32 gigabyte sticks, 64 gigabytes, yeah, I know, it's pretty overkill. So, I'm guessing you hold these by like the sides?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, so we have the SSD, let me remember how to... Okay, there we go, got it. This is the SSD, 980 Pro. I've seen these on YouTube before. But yeah, look at that thing. Really small, but important.
Alright.
Alright, day 2 of the PC build. My dad forgot to record the AIO. Actually, he didn't forget to record it. He accidentally made it photo and took a picture instead of recording. So yeah, we have the power supply. It is a Gigabyte one. Let me just find out. Aha, here we go. So let me open this bad boy up. So I'm not the best at opening stuff. Oh, okay. So it comes out like that. Okay. We have some packaging, the ball things. We have Gigabyte, the instructions, and we have some screws. We have a bunch of cables, and we have the actual power supply itself. So let me just, this is kind of hard to get out. Here we go. Get this bad boy out. Oh my gosh, this is really hard to get out. Okay. I'll just take some of the plastic off, but yeah, that's the power supply. I also decided to show a boot test. So let me just do that. You had to hold down the power button, or not hold it down, just press it apparently. But yeah, that's PC booting up. If I press on my monitor, it should come up with like a tough gaming thing. Yep, it is. But yeah, there it is. This beast of a PC. I've already downloaded the games, by the way, and there's my webcam, all that stuff. Wow, that's pretty cool. It does take a minute to boot like my last one did. That's kind of with all computers, but it's whatever. Here's that nice Windows sound. Open, there's updates apparently. Well, okay then. Alright, so after a lot of struggle, the PC's all set up. Can't really show the back here, but let's try to move my chair over. Here, we got it. So there's the graphics card, the RAM. Yeah, everything's all set up. We set up Windows. We have not activated yet, but we don't need to. There's the fans and all that. There's my monitor, my mic and my speakers, these LEDs, I forget what they're called. There's also my soundboard for podcasting and all that, but yeah, and there's my keyboard.